So yeah peeps, welcome to my channel again. It's original Kountry Boi. Yeah, Kountry Boi is definitely a lifeguard, and for the last 2 weeks or so, Kountry Boi has been back to work doing what he loves most, being a country boy on a beautiful beach in Runaway Bay. So yeah man, I specifically chose to make this video in the evening so you can see the beauty of it when the sun is like glaring on it. So automatically you know what that video about already. So guess what people, let me get into it. And by the way, yeah man, you don't know so I always again preps for me here because you don't know so it's fabulous. So yeah man, that's my word, country fabulousness. Yeah, so yeah man, I'm a lifeguard. I feel like I'm going to take an evening dip in the ocean. What alkaline would I say? Me I create wave like the ocean, yeah. Everybody, welcome to my channel. It is Kountry Boi. Let's get into it.
Country lifeguard, number one for the coast. Water cool. Do it again. Yeah.
Let's get into it. Alrighty, so yeah man, it's back to work for me at this beautiful beach. Yeah man, you notice how pretty the sun look? Alright, this beach is located right behind Jewel Runaway Bay. Yeah man, it's pretty as a shame, you know. Alright, so this beach now, one of the best in the Runaway Bay region. Alright, so yeah, I hit this. Alright, so the main thing now, this part, this is Jewel Runaway Bay. I'm gonna show you what it look like, even though I can't access them premises. But you know the rule in Jamaica is you can definitely walk the shoreline. But you can just imagine if COVID did never be around. Yeah man, the beach right now would have been full with people from all over the world. This is Jewel Runaway Bay Resort and Spa. Rumors is that it recently got bought by one of the leading persons in the or owners of the hotel in the tourist industry. I don't know if it's true, so I didn't call his name. So yeah, man, this is what Jewel Runaway Bay is looking like now. Yeah, without nobody there on it. All of the hobby cat them basically park up. Hobby cat actually catamaran, sailboat, whatever you know them as, them park up right there. So would that be one of the jerk pits? You don't know jerk pit, but right now nothing not jerk there, so not even frog. So yeah, flag red flag means everything locked down. All the rescue boat stuff, it look like you want to get rescued, you don't know. But yeah, man, right now I'm a lifeguard off duty. I'm just kidding. So yeah, man, that's going for Jewel Runaway Bay right now. Everything kind of slow. We'll continue walking and see what else we can see now. So yeah, man, peeps, Kountry Boi is a lifeguard. Yeah, man, so you don't know a thing though. Yeah, so as I was saying, why I would recommend this beach now, or coming to this side of Center North Coast, wherever you know my place as, is because of how long the beach is. Yeah, man, let me show you. You can see in my background, you can walk from way down there, so go straight back up there, so. You seen? You seen? Yeah, man, even though it kind of become like a private property now, because I don't know what them are below over there, but that beach was one of the best little private beach I could have like go to. Like it was secluded. Like you could have just go there if you want chill. If you drink, have your little drink, and if you're a smoker, you know, you just do your thing. You smoke whatever you want to smoke. Yeah, man, up there so nobody not trouble you. Yeah, man. So as I was saying, why would I recommend this beach is because of how long it is. Yeah. So if you're a romantic type of person and you want to bring a lady for a long walk on the beach under the sunset, yeah, man, bring them on the beach. Ocean Park, you see it? Yeah, man, love that little work here, you know? Yeah, man, people that met my job, definitely. All of the people that come on the beach, I don't know, Frasco kid. Yeah. Yes, people, I'm still a walk. I'm think more that it fit for your life, yeah. So yeah, man, I'm approaching to one of the ends of the beach, or the end of the beach rather, after I walked out the whole of this. Yeah, man, I know it not look far, but a far, people. Yeah, man, far. So you don't know, Runaway Bay is hotel, Jewel Runaway Bay rather. Yeah, man, at them they in another region, yeah. From here so go straight up there, so. Yeah, man, and you have a lot of hotel on this specific region. Go straight down. So other hotels that you can find, even though the beach kind of bar off, you don't know, they make all kind of what you can call it, reefs, man-made reefs or whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, I can't walk no further. I'm approaching FDR. So yeah, man, FDR is a family resort, and you see, if you have a lot of kids like my grandfather, thank you grandpa, by the way, he make me have a lot of auntie and uncles. So yeah, if you have a lot of kids like my grandfather and you want to just make them go have fun or whatever, you can carry them to FDR, because the thing about FDR is they when you booking you get a nanny, I believe. I don't know if it's still like that, but you get a nanny which you can take care of kids, and as adults you can just go along, go gallivant and be kids again. Sound great, isn't it? So yeah, man, FDR, you can check them out. Mad thing. FDR, that's another little hotel you can say on this line, and go straight back down. You can find hotels like guest houses, and then you can find the Great Bahia Hotel. Yeah, So yeah, people, that is about it for now. And I go walk back up the beach because it's evening and I feel like I go go my yard. So yeah, if you've seen this video, you made it to the end of my video, and I'm gonna take you out with some words from Bob. Yo Bob, talk to the people them for me now.
Well, as I would say, you know, this is the original Bob in Carving Farm. If you made it to the end of the video, please remember to bonus spliff. Yeah man, cause that's I. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to Kountry Boi. Although a time for him turn man now, you know, country man as I would say. Yeah man, and I'll see everybody soon. Thank you for watching this beach tour and every other thing that happened in this video. I'm out now, you know, new school Bob, I'm out.